Yo, what is going on, guys? Aaron the Baron here, and I am actually on my way to my homie's house. He picked up an SRT Challenger today, and I am hella stoked to actually go take a look at it, hear it rev up, all that. Basically new, so it's freaking insane. Can't wait to, get some really cool, dope content really put out with this. Sorry about the bumps. New Mexico doesn't know how to pave roads. And yeah, guys, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun one. Well, guys, let me just say how awesome the stock navigation system it is in this car. Not only does it show it right there, where it's super convenient and easy for me, but also right there, nice in color. I really like this car and all of its features. But I'm at the wrong place. Yo, I've never been down here by the railroad tracks before. Not gonna lie, this is the absolute furthest I've ever strayed. Alright, well, long story short, seems like my Volkswagen navigation system is not quite as up to date as Google Maps. So I'm actually 4 minutes away from his house still. So it's a big speed bump. We are inbound again, so give me a couple minutes. All right, supposedly it's up over here on the right somewhere. All right, boys, I found the house, so let's go take a look at this car. He also has a really nice Eclipse that I haven't seen yet, so I'm actually seeing two cars here, so that's pretty hype. Let's go take a look. All right.
Look at that dash though. Oh, look under the dash. Matt, play.
Oh. So smooth.
No, but look at the emblem.
All the way in there?
No. Like right back where you were. Look at that emblem.
Oh.
Damn.
3100? Damn.
6400, boy.
Bruh. Yo, that's actually hella sick though.
See them seats? Got that spicy engraving.
Oh. And you can't slide around with the bolsters.
In the center.
Ooh.
So nice.
That is nice.
The spicy sunroof on the top too.
Bruh.
They both now have sunroofs.
Oh shit. The mystery car.
The mystery car, yeah. What
A 6.1.
Engine or the exhaust?
Yeah, let's do exhaust. Oh. Bro. Oh. Bro, I feel that on my hand. I'm like 3 feet away. Bro.
Waste that much gas.
Did they give you a full tank at least? No?
Maybe a little bit above half and
Damn.
maybe about half now.
Stingy. Even the wheels say SRT, bro.
Dude, those wheels are expensive apparently. It's like $800 for one wheel. At least what I found.
Shit.
It was like,
Damn.
you're gonna drown my car.
Bro.
It's clean, dude.
Bro.
4,000 miles.
They did a nice job touching it up too. Bro, you know it's good when the engine bay is the same exact paint as the outside. That's how new it is.
You know no one's messed up somewhere.
Yeah.
No one's crashed it.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no weld marks.
It's even still like waxed on the inside.
Dude, for real.
Bro, that's clean though. Insurance companies are stingy too. As soon as something comes up, they're like, it had a bug on the has a bug on the windshield. I think we were knocked down $900.
Funny enough, they actually called me back and they were like, "Yo, you left your subwoofer back here." And,
Oh, they actually let
the
you know
other
that?
car. I was like, "Yeah." They're like, "Do you want it?" I'm like, "Nah, I got one in here." Want to see that built-in subwoofer?
Yeah. These things are massive, bro. Are they 19s or 20s? That's probably 20, huh? Super sports. I think you can get a summer out of these tires.
It's funny because the other tires needed to be replaced on the other ones. Like, your problem,
Right?
Your problem. Everything that was wrong was pretty much their problem at this point.
Oh yeah, exactly. So good luck with that.
What can you do though? Minus all the other stuff I threw in there, but that was actually that came like that.
It came
from the
with a
factory.
kicker?
Mhm.
Yo. That's
Can't notice it, so I
nice.
don't know if it's wired up correctly or not, but I mean, I guess
Unless maybe
that's what.
Did you play with the settings maybe?
I have not gone through anything, dude. This thing's that stopped. I haven't even touched the settings on the stereo.
Even the trunk is massive, bro. The trunk lid is huge.
What does kind of have me a little concerned is why is this bare metal?
And where did
It's
the
like-
little trimming go? Or
Yeah. I don't know if maybe they just didn't have them back in 2008. I know my 2012 had one, so
the weight reduction?
yeah, we'll go with that. Alright, let me go grab them spicy piece for that mystery car.
Let's see. Mystery car number 2 that I still haven't seen.
I know.
It's been like 4 months.
I'm pretty sure you thought that wasn't really there.
Yeah.
Now, what part do you want to see first?
Let's get a little strip tease at the front.
I'm trying to get them things cinematic.
Yeah.
Make sure it's
I can-
unlocked so I don't set off the wall.
I can see all the curves. Ooh. Oh.
Freshly washed today too.
Really?
That one is. I was gonna do the Challenger too, but
Yo.
I decided not to.
Yeah, they can clean it.
I was like, I'll clean it
Bruh.
up tomorrow or something.
So clean.
Everything is original on this one too.
It doesn't look as old as us.
Shut it. We don't talk about that. So now they both have matching sunroofs. They're both hard cars to find too.
Why?
Bro, it's a 2-liter.
I mean, so is mine. It's really packed in there though.
Yeah, it is.
They almost ran out of room for cabling.
Evo swap.
Evo swap.
Maybe.
Evo X? Or Evo
Evo 8.
8?
Possibly. Still looking at that. Because the only amount I need to move on the engine one would be this one. And it's got to go 6 inches to the front. That's
Okay.
it. That's like a direct plug and play. With Evo stuff.
Yeah.
Not with the stuff. But,
Damn.
yeah.
That would be sick though. Now just hoon this until you throw a rod or something and then
Send-
swap it.
You wanna get your,
Dude, these lenses are clean though.
Dude, original lenses.
Are they?
What they told me. This is actually the one owner car.
A one owner car?
I'm the second
Damn.
owner since '99 or whenever
That's-
he sold out.
That's crazy
You
though.
want to get your exhaust?
Who dat?
Yeah, welcome to my life. I'm recording and then that just happens. I'm like, okay.
It's like, oh, okay, I'm gonna hang up now.
Gotta let it prime, please.
Gotta.
Disappointment. Also low
Dude,
on
it-
gas.
Even has the original Mitsubishi sticker on it.
Dude, for real.
Wow.
Like, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Nice.
it's clean. That's why, even though it's automatic, you can't pass up on it.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
Yeah, told you you're not gonna get much out of this, bro.
I mean, the fact that it's not misfiring or anything is already content in itself.
That's why I said straight up just that beat. Oh my god. We're just gonna keep driving by. Not used to these drive-bys.
Oh shit.
Yeah, if you want to get a look at that interior.
See, I don't have these kinds of drive-bys in my neighborhood.
So I
It's so clean though.
actually just got the suede in for these side inserts right here too. So future content.
Future content.
Original freaking thing.
Yo.
That's lit. And see that you can just close it like up here. No, you can't. I'm pretty sure it locks it.
No.
So you just leave it, watch your car, you know,
Yeah.
through the interior.
Hatch life.
So my old bulbs that I spent like a pain trying to get them. So 4 of them I found. This is my fault, being pure lazy. Literally says, well, on the headlight assembly itself it says HB4.
Yeah.
On here it says HB4. The 4 of them, because I was too lazy to come here and open the hood. It's like, oh, you need H13s. I was like, cool. Ordered H13s. Got on, I was like, yo, this don't fit. It was like that, but it had 3 prongs instead of the 2.
Oh
so it's like, okay.
shit.
It's like,
Oh
my
yeah, yeah. You
mistake.
told me like a wall plug looked like.
No, that was the next one. I
Oh.
still have that wall plug. I can
Oh.
show you. That,
Okay,
that thing's
yeah.
weird. But
I'm down.
so I emailed them. I was like, yo, I ordered the wrong one. What can I do? They're like, oh, just send it back. And they're like, put a note of what you need.
Mm-hmm.
So I put on there HB4. They send me H4s. So I emailed them.
You're missing
I was
a
like,
letter.
bruh. I was like, this is an outlet, bro. This ain't no car.
There's a night light.
Yeah, I was like, I plug this into my wall. Yo.
Is that a tuner coil?
Boom. The bigger one.
Oh! That's sexy.
Kind of replace that.
up there?
Content.
Content.
Because lining it up myself clearly doesn't go well.
Math.
Math. It's not my strong point. And I count stuff. Ceramic coating from Chemical Guys.
It's clean.
Smells like nothing. Trust me, I tried. I was like, damn, this smells like chemicals.
It just smells like a cleaner.
No, it's just straight up smells like chemicals. I was gonna say, you want them to smell it? You can't really smell anything, right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I was like,
It honestly just smells like the plastic bottle.
because I did this. It just smells like chemicals.
Take shots.
Kilo shots.
It smells like Listerine.
It doesn't taste like it.
Why are you tasting it, bro?
If it's gonna go on my car, it's gotta be good, right?
It's like quality test.
Cool. This is what I was telling you about, Mr. Pink.
Miss.
Oh god.
Alright,
let's do rollers.
Alright.
So everything in here is chemical, guys, except for this and this.
They even feel soft.
That's actually the glove.
Ooh, the mitt. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could say that you didn't need any part of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me, you should be the one on your knees. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my
The car looks absolutely amazing. The dealership didn't even give it to me this clean. And when I got those tires, they had all their fingerprints and shit on them from when they installed them, and it has literally never been clean since.
Yeah, dealership detailers never really do anything.
They're probably paid like $8 an hour too, though, honestly.
I think they're like on a time limit of like 15 minutes a car.
Oh yeah, so no wonder it looks like
You
duty.
can't wax a car in 15 minutes.
No, hell no.
That's what there's always.
Bro, it looks so damn clean.
That's insane.
That's the water that came off my car. And I did the drive-through wash like 2 days ago, and it still looks like that.
That's probably the water that you get from the drive-through.
That is the drive-through water?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, so nice.
See, that's what they have to do.
Gotta be bumping.